Ever wondered where your money goes? Let's face it, finances can be a confusing jungle. You work hard for your money, but when it comes to investing, where do you even begin? Maybe you've heard whispers about robo-advisors, these automated investment platforms that take the wheel and steer your money towards your goals. But with so many options out there, how do you pick the right one? Well, today we're diving deep into Betterment, a popular robo-advisor known for its user-friendly approach and commitment to making investing accessible. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of what Betterment offers, let's take a step back. What exactly are these different account types, and why do they matter? Think of them as buckets for your hard-earned cash. Each bucket has its own set of rules and restrictions, but also unique tax benefits that can seriously boost your long-term gains. So, choosing the right account type is crucial to maximizing your financial potential. Now, back to Betterment. Let's see what kind of buckets they offer to fill. Bucket number 1, Retirement Powerhouses IRAs. Retirement. The golden years we all dream of. But let's be honest, those dreams don't pay the bills. That's where IRAs come in. These beauties offer some serious tax advantages to help you grow your nest egg for that well-deserved retirement. Betterment offers two main types of IRAs, traditional and Roth. Traditional IRA, this is like a magic money box where your contributions might be tax deductible, depending on your income. That means Uncle Sam gives you a pat on the back for saving, lowering your taxable income in the year you contribute. But there's a catch: when you withdraw the money in retirement, you'll pay taxes on it. Roth IRA, this one's all about tax-free growth. You contribute money that's already been taxed, but the magic happens when you withdraw it in retirement. It's completely tax-free. Think of it as a tax shelter for your future self. But wait, there's more. Betterment also offers SEP IRAs for self-employed individuals and solopreneurs, and inherited IRAs for those who receive an IRA from a loved one. Bucket number 2, taxable accounts, building wealth on your terms. Looking to invest for a specific goal outside of retirement, like a dream vacation or a down payment on a house. This is where taxable accounts come in. These are like the flexible all-purpose buckets. You can contribute money whenever you want, and there are no contribution limits. The catch? You'll pay taxes on any capital gains you earn, profits from selling investments. Betterment allows you to open individual taxable accounts, or even joint accounts with a partner, giving you both the power to invest towards a shared goal. Bucket number 3, the goal-oriented trio of Betterment's specialty. Here's where Betterment gets interesting. They take taxable accounts a step further by letting you set specific goals within them. Think of it like having mini buckets inside your big bucket. Stocks and bonds goals, this is the classic investing mix, with Betterment automatically allocating your money based on your risk tolerance and time horizon. Crypto goals, feeling adventurous? Betterment lets you invest a portion of your portfolio in cryptocurrency, although this comes with a higher risk profile. Cash reserve, this isn't exactly an investment, but it's a handy tool. It's a high-yield cash account where you can park your emergency fund or short-term savings, earning a bit of interest while keeping it readily accessible. So, with Betterment, you get the best of both worlds, the flexibility of taxable accounts and the goal-oriented approach to keep you focused. Choosing the right bucket. By now, your head might be spinning with all these account types. Don't worry, it's not a one-size-fits-all situation. The best account for you depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Here's a quick tip: if you're saving for retirement and want tax benefits, IRAs are the way to go. If you have a specific goal in mind outside of retirement, taxable accounts with Betterment's goal-setting features can be a great option. Remember, consulting a financial advisor can be incredibly helpful in navigating this financial jungle and choosing the right buckets for your hard-earned cash. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.